Hello guys, have you ever come to in a position you have to get the size of your table? So yes, this can be achieved through a MySQL query. You can see here on my screen. Suppose you have a requirement, you have to know the table size, like how many MB you have, any particular size. So this the table will come. Then this will have to come up with the calculation will be done around this data length plus index length divided by 1024. So this is around getting into the MB size from information schema dot tables and table schema. Here your database name is this. Now the table name will have to put like this. Okay, suppose I want the size of each and every table, then I will have to remove this from query. Let me try running this. Yes, so once you put this, you will get every table of this database plus the size of that particular table. Okay, so in the left side you can see that is also open my same database, this one and the table. So what if I remove this one? Okay, so here you can see the event audience table. It takes around 0.02 MB. Okay, so here you can see around 16 KB. So this is just a round off. Got it? If I make it to three digit, let's see. Yes. If I put it here, so earlier the rounding was around the 2 digit. Now I have changed to 3 digit. So here you can clearly see this is giving me the same output. So 16168. Got it? So this way you can get. Let me try putting the order by in case. Let me check if that is working. Oops, this one not working. So to make it functional again, I will have to put this inside query, and I can make another table as a sub query. I will consider, then it will be working for sure. Okay, so this is how you can get. So for any particular one getting, you'll have to put the condition here like this. I have put it this table name. Now let me try checking the same thing on the server. Yes, I have a database here, and I am going to check the size of this particular table only on this live database. So if I execute this, it will give me the output very similar like this. So this is how you can consider getting the size of any particular table. Yeah, all the tables in one go. Okay, so now you can see I have this MB of data in this table on my this particular DB of life. So that's it from this video. Hope you will have learned something and be applying in your development. Thank you for watching and have a great day ahead.